In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Edge tabs across devices. This is a super convenient feature that allows you to have a seamless browsing experience, whether you're switching from your computer to your tablet or phone. So, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to ensure that Microsoft Edge is open on each device that you want to sync. This is crucial because the syncing process will require access to your browser on all devices. If you haven't already installed Edge on your devices, go ahead and do that before we proceed with the steps. Next, it's important to make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account on each device. This will be your single user account that links everything together. If you open Edge and notice you're not yet signed in, you can easily do so by clicking on the profile icon at the top right corner of the window. Enter your credentials and you're all set. Keep in mind that staying signed in with the same account across all your devices is essential for the syncing to work properly. Once you're signed in, go to the upper right corner of the Edge window and click on More Options, which is represented by 3 dots. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from this menu. This will navigate you to where you can manage your browser settings and preferences. In the Settings menu, look for Profiles from the list on the left side. Click on Profiles, and then you'll see a section called Sync. Here is where the magic happens. Click on Sync, and you'll find an option called Turn on Sync. Make sure to select this option. By turning on Sync, you're allowing your devices to communicate with each other and maintain the same browsing state. Now, after you've enabled Sync, you need to make sure that the toggle for Open Tabs or History in Tabs is enabled. This specific step is what allows your Open Tabs to sync across different devices. This means that if you have a web page open on your laptop, you can easily pull it up on your phone and pick up right where you left off. It's a huge time saver and ensures that you have access to all the information you need, no matter which device you're using. And there you have it. You've just learned how to sync your Microsoft Edge tabs across all your devices. This simple process will make your browsing a whole lot more convenient. If at any point you want to turn the sync off, you can simply follow the same steps and toggle off the sync settings. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.